out here to micros. So on our micros, GN, LN, 20 cents, 7 million shares traded going down with the wind. ELPW. Man, this week has just been slower. I'm not even gonna lie. It's just been a little bit slower than normal. That's okay. No, I gave back profit this week, heavy profit in this slow. Right on the month, $59. That happened. You're on dollars. These S FSLY higher flow. Earnings for FSLY fastly.com. Hmm. Through right now at these different tickers, not really seeing one bullish. I don't even know if we're going to see one bullish this week. This whole week has been just slow and red. Now there might be one popper or something, but man, this thing, it's been a wild little week. Big wicks on JDZG, bottom of 140.99, back down. Yeah, this one's all over the place. Up 35, 34%. Like it's education training. They did a offering consisting of 20 million shares, so they did increase their they diluted their shares a little bit. They did. I'm going to go ahead. Offering BRME. What is this? There's a merger agreement. This one, Open World and Verify Me signed definitive merger agreement. This is crypto. So tokenized sector. See what tokens they're working with here. Verify Me and Open World. Not really naming the token. Warner Donnell out here looking at VRME, little merger, $1.30. And up to $1.71. 2 million. What is the float on this? It is a lower float, VRME, but I don't know. It's been such a slow little um couple of sessions. The merger, I mean, it's gonna have to do some work. At the point of not the point of control, the ATR high here at 121. Now it's only up 15. Not sure about a merger agreement for crypto, and crypto is still coming down, so I'm really not sure. Go read back on this. Talking about on VRME. I mean, it's like previous lows was 109 from yesterday. 9. Hmm. See if his face any dilution here. Okay, so they just regained NASDAQ compliance 10 days ago. They signed the merger agreement. Um, Verify Me and Token Economy leader Open World announces plan for merger. Verify Me earnings call, third quarter. Any other bits? Yeah. Price target is 125 to 150 10 months ago. Said this is the price target 10 months ago. Okay. It's at the parent price target that they were calling for 10 months. I'm not sure if they're going to redo the price target or what, but yeah, it's already here. Trying to use stock that was diluted with that offering, trying to go for highs. I float on that one. After that 193. RM. $7 million shares traded on GAD, leading the day in volume. Chinese stock looks like it wants to come and continue to struggle right under this $2 level here. It struggled here twice. RM popping up there. Oh, it did 2 minutes ago. Let me see. Oh, it's just another resurgence of the merger thing. Double bottom of this 5 million shares traded. is can it stay above one? It is a little bit of a 20% juggler. Between these two, really. One coming up 5 million away from this bottom here. Right back into the area of struggle here. Right back to 17%. Hmm. Could this be type of uptrend? I'm not sure. Somebody's trading this 6 million traded on, slowly falling behind everything. Chow popped up, CHOW. Little cheaper one, 31 million shares traded. It just broke 75 cents. That's why it's popping up now. But wow. Hong Kong company. This is Chinese Chow, 64%. So the top two that I'm seeing right now is JDZ and Chow that are Chinese. Let me see if Chow has faced any dilution. Chow, Chow Cloud International is what their name is. They said 1 month ago, so it hadn't had news in a month. Chow Cloud International Holdings Limited announces first half 2025 unaudited financial results. Let's see if they've done any splits. That's all their news. Okay. This is what Chow is looking like right now. Just past their 75 cents, going on down there. Fall off my list here soon. JDZ G coming back up here to this 194. Today may be a China day. It may just be a China day with these continue to try to get out of there. RME merger, not competing with the Chinese stocks. There's the break for JDG. Shorts are probably gonna be. This is kind of steep right there. Very steep. Hit a high of 208s. How fast it comes back below 193. How not even holding up that 75 cents. Today looks like it's China focused. Let's go look at the main page news to see if China's on the main page. Why these are moving, kind of moving. All right, so roadblocks could stop the AI juggernaut crushing software. Farmers left out of Trump's drug pricing deals. Looking over here at JDZ pop up a little struggle right there at that $2 level. Dow coming back over 75 cents. Okay, back over to the news. McDonald's CEO says the company is preparing to battle weight loss drugs. To battle weight loss drugs? Okay. So McDonald's, that get a little bit. What? All right, why stocks in OpenAI's orbit could get second wind. U.S. shelves key China tech curbs did trade truce. Samsung claims lead in the race. Chip AI memory. Apple LSEG build blockchain digital settlement. Italian tax police. We've seen anything stick out about China. JD Chow try to hold up. ERME gave up everything back to 10%, broke down that there. Now China is really leading. Go to the non-micros. These are the ones that are a little bit higher floats. Let's go look at this. Dow is 35 shares outstanding, 35 million shares outstanding. JDZ is 23. These are a little bit higher floats. Go look at their floats here. Okay, Chow has a 10.1 million float with shares outstanding of 35 mil. Insiders have a heavy holding in Chow. Also look at JDZ. Looks like a float of 2.77 million. Not too many insiders or institutions on it. Both Chinese. Wow. RME gave back every div for so that 109 is where VRM opened yesterday, and now it's going below that, or not open, the close of yesterday, 109, and now it's below the close of yesterday. All right, well, we pretty much see the top movers. Chow, I don't even know if it's going to hold up 75 cents. It's already starting to kind of show weakness, and it only did a 78 up to 82-cent move. Not sure how that's going to go. And JDZ, kind of the same deal around this $2 hold dollar level, and it keeps struggling with this too. And it diluted with an offering of 20 million shares back onto the open market. So, yeah, definitely in a predicament. The Unco did look what looks like a round trip. This is they're doing an acquisition of Real Botics LLC. Real Botics. Um, Ounce of sale acquisition going on down too. Popped up there very quickly and then right on back down. It opened yesterday at or closed yesterday at 185. So will it hold up here? Hold on this one. Let's see. Unco 1.55 million. It's a low float for sure. Up to a high of 276. But definitely got some work to do. Not even up 10% anymore. On red. I'd be too interested in that one. Actually, look like it just dove some more. So Unco on through the depths of back into the depths. So that one's out of there. Down 20%, 24%. Wow. He hates Unco. Those acquisitions, man. So I'm so careful with the acquisitions and mergers. You never know, man. Get in there after the deal's been made and the deal sours, something serious. Anyway, Chow coming back up as well. So yeah, I'm just gonna be watching for these to fail, these Chinese stocks at the open. I might not even be to the office at the open, but I'll be watching for those to kind of lose momentum. But since they have so much volume coming into the open, Chow has 42 million shares traded. Nothing else has 42 million that's over 75 cents. So, and it's barely over 75 cents. And then JDZ still on the struggle bus under this $2, but continues to try to test it and test it and test it. Not sure how those want. Let me notate Unco why it's dropping. This one is acquisition. Addition there, 34%. All right, anyway, about to get ready to jump out of here. If you're gonna trade, definitely keep your head on the swivel. Everything that's up is around under $2, really. Um, Whole list of things that just I don't know. They're questionable. This whole month, this whole week, matter of fact, has been questionable. JDZG breaking back above $2 with 16 million shares traded, up 60%. I'm not sure if I can trust. There's a little bit of an uptrend here. It's so steep. I don't know. I don't know if it can continue to hold this, but it is a Chinese stock. Bottom down here around 183 would be the break of that first pivot level. 83, 184. Then it's got another one down here, 160s and 140s. Over here, Chow. Chow doesn't have any real uptrend structure. Kind of got going and now it's losing a little bit of that momentum. Still has 44 million, but if it goes under 75 cents, sit for it anyway. Anyway, I'm about to jump off of here. I don't want to waste too much time looking at these things that are looking like death. I will check back in once I get over to the other office. Um, Maybe we'll have something else, but if it is something else, it's gonna have to build some type of structure if it's something new. Um, Hard to be this far under the radar. Have something that's doing 45 million shares up here as your competition. Anyway, it's y'all next one. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't, and I will start back into the Discord once I get to the other office. Yeah, just this month it's just keeping the red low. You know, right now I gave back a bunch of profit, down 59 bucks on the deals. So horrible, so horrible. But here's what it is to find better opportunities, a better environment to trade in. Right now, this environment seems a little hostile, to say the least. A little hostile. But anyway, get on out of here. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Peace.